Good morning, my sister. How are you today?
I'm fine, and how are you?
I'm fine. How do you view the situation in Russia, the invasion of Russia by Ukraine?
Come again.
How do you view the situation in Russia, the invasion of Russia by Ukraine?
I think the invasion of Russia in Ukraine is by the infrastructure development and the community sector of the people around the country. And this nation will absolutely consequential die. And the prices of the locations and the people around the community, they will also die and fall increasingly surrounding the locations of those people and the nation. And also the president of the Russia, Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa, will absolutely defend the nation by the government and also those MP and parliament sector.
Thank you, my sister.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.